What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a handheld garment steamer. You know, powerful, continuous steam for great results. How about that? Powerful steam, removable water tank, 25-second heat up. It looks like it comes with a little brush right there. Looking over the side here, it is a 1,000 watt of power. The water capacity on this thing is 140 milliliters. It's powerful steam, portable, lightweight design, detachable fabric. You know what? 8-foot cord. Enough of that. Let's just go ahead and take it out. Looks like you get a little kind of brush right there that hooks onto it. And then very nicely packaged down in there. Oh wow, that thing's a little bigger than I thought it would be. A little scooper. What's that for? And then the unit itself. Wow, it looks very premium, everybody. It's got a very premium. It's got like a grip right here, a button for on and off. Let's see, what else? Instruction manual, some safety warnings, indicator light, water tank, measuring cup, fabric brush. So that's a fabric brush is what they're calling that. So we don't need that. So looking over it here, it looks like this snaps on just like that. Important, this unit is thoroughly tested, blah, blah, blah. Okay, whatever. Aren't we all thoroughly tested? Wow, they actually got some moisture left in there. How about that? This thing is brand new. You could tell they've actually had water in it. So let me go ahead, add some water to this thing, and let's see how it works. Okay, I just went ahead and filled it up, and I actually used the little container. It made it very easily to hit that little small hole with it there. I just plugged it in, so it's plugged in, and as soon as I put that on, hold that down. I guess it's got to go through a heat up cycle first. Right now, so as soon as I plugged it in, I guess it's going through a heat. What's it doing? Whoa, that was fast, everybody. Look at that. Okay, that steam is very hot. It doesn't look like there's a low, medium, or high. It looks like you either have it on or off. Let me grab a shirt and try to steam the shirt, and let's see what it does when I steam the shirt. So this, you can see all the wrinkles right there on this shirt. You know what? I'm impressed with this thing. I've never actually used one of these, so I'm probably not using it perfect, but looking over it, you can see how wrinkled all of that is. You can see how well that's working. I guess it's kind of like an iron. Look how nicely that looks. That came out really flat and nice. You can see down here how it's, this isn't like an overly wrinkled shirt. You see this area right here. Now let's try to use the steamer on that one area. I showed you how it just kind of looks a little rough and wrinkled. You can see right there, it definitely works. I think this thing works great. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. This would be a great option for anyone that just needs a steamer. I don't want to steam my lenses here, but man, I like the way that feels. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the BEAUTURAL garment steamer. See you on the next video.